They're definitely Dane. Look at the feet. My God, the feet are huge. Both females. Very calm little dogs. But I have no idea what they're mixed with. I mean, they actually look like Danes. Their fur's a little bit longish, but Harlequin Danes have longish fur sometimes, so. Hi there. Hello. Hi. And they're real friendly. Hi. Yeah, they're real friendly. I know. I smell like a Dane, huh? I smell like a Dane, don't I? Yeah. Do I smell like somebody you know? Yes, I do, huh? They're darling. They're absolutely darling. You darling, what are you doing in here? And they're so good. I mean, their dogs barking and they don't seem to be so freaked out about it. That's very cool. They have each other, and I think that makes a difference. Look at you guys. Okay, they're available Wednesday, I think it is. 8 a.m. Wednesday. The 12th. If the owner is not reclaimed, a lot of people on vacation still. Or they don't get adopted by a private party. They're available on the 12th for private adoption. So here they are. These are the two girls, the puppies, at East Van Nuys, California. But look at you two looking at me. They're so cute. They're very cute. They're very calm. Very nice.